we have another example on the board. First, please notice that we have invisible 1 next to x squared, okay, and invisible 1 next to x. So this one is called A, this one is called B, and negative 12 is my C. Next, write down the quadratic formula. We have x is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I will always ask you to write the formula first. This is the only way to make sure that you are going to remember formulas, okay? So it's always good to write formula first, no matter if we have formula on the side or on the formula sheet, okay? To make sure that you will keep writing the formula. Next, plug in the numbers into this formula. So copy down negative, and b is 1 plus minus square root, and again b is 1, so I have 1 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is negative 12. You're supposed to copy constant with the negative sign, okay? So I have negative 12. And everything is over 2 times a, and a is equal 1. Equals x is equal negative 1 plus minus, and I have 1 because 1 to the second power is equal 1, negative 4 times negative 12 is equal positive 48 over 2. This is equal negative 1 plus minus square root of 49 over 2, which is equal negative 1 plus minus square root of 49 is equal 7 over 2. Please notice that the discriminant is positive, okay? We have value which is greater than 0. It means that we are going to have two solutions, and these two solutions are x equals negative 1 plus 7 over 2, which is equal negative 1 plus 7 is equal 6 over 2, which is equal 3, and I have x equals negative 1 minus 7 over 2, which is equal negative 1 minus 7 is equal negative 8 over 2, which is equal negative 4. Okay, so we have two values, x equal 3 or x equal negative 4. So you can say that these are the solutions to my problem.